Lesson 90, graphing the tangent function. So, if you remember that the tangent of theta is equal to the sine of theta divided by the cosine of theta. So when the cosine is 0, the cosine of theta is 0, then the tangent function is undefined. So cosine is 0 at like it's pi halves. Right.
We could do cosine versus 0.
Will it give it to me?
And then divide by pi.
It's 90.
It's 90. It's 90 degrees. So
That's
pi
pi
over
halves. Okay.
2. If you're
But why do I have a 3 pi halves right here? That should be 2 pi. Okay, so when we graph, boom, the tangent, you're going to have asymptotes. So at pi halves, you're going to have an asymptote. Then at pi, then at 3 pi halves, you have another asymptote. At 2 pi, and then we'll have another one here. Okay, and then in the negative section too. Negative pi halves. Okay, at each of these points right in the middle, the tangent is 0. So at pi, the sine is 0 and the cosine is 1. So it's just 0. So at each of these, it's going to cross. And then it goes like this. So it's increasing here, crosses a 0, and then increases there. So this is what the tangent function looks like.
Wait, that's what it would look like if you graphed it?
Now, if you remember, the period is just pi or pi over b. So remember with sine and cosine it was 2 pi? That's because it keeps repeating every 2 pi. In the tangent, just the basic parent function, it has a period that's the length of pi. So between 1/2 pi and 3/2 pi, that's equal to 1 pi. The amplitude is undefined because there is no max and min. Undefined. So if we wanted to graph y equals 4 tangent of x plus 2. The plus 2 is going to raise it up, and the 4 is our amplitude, but that doesn't, there is no amplitude. So it's just exactly the same, it just goes 2 up.
So do we have to graph it?
Okay, so really quick, yeah, we're just going to graph this. It goes 2 up. Just do 2 periods. And this is pi, and then 1 right there. Okay, so we're 2 up, and we go like this. Okay. And that's the end of that lesson.